Leo, what's happening?
Come on, quick! Hurry! Almost there! Watch the cat! Okay,
And then the little fox found his way home. And then the little fox found his way home.
That's a hurricane warning. We have to move now.
flashlight, water, bandages. Okay, good. Everyone, grab only what you need, quickly!
We'll be back, old house.
Wait, Odd, where's Whiskers? We can't leave her.
Whiskers, come here, sweet girl.
Nothing here.
Whiskers, please. Where are you?
She has to be here somewhere, Bai. Keep looking. Mommy! We're getting closer. Upstairs. Lead the way, Mia. Okay. Found her. She was hiding the whole time. We were so worried.
All right, everyone's here, Toe. Let's go, together.
Come on, hurry! Move, kids, get in!
I'm scared, Dad.
Come on, quick! Hurry! Almost there! Watch the cat! Okay, I'm inside.
Everyone buckled up? Let's move.
You're doing great, Di. Almost to the highway.
Branch ahead, Brad. Hang on, everyone.
See? Dad's got it. We're safe. Almost there, sweetheart. Grandma's waiting.
You're safe now! Come in, come in!
We made it, Whiskers. We're safe.
Nothing like warm cocoa after a stormy night.
I think Whiskers likes it here, too.
Storm's finally moving past us. We're okay.
You all did so well tonight. I'm proud of this family.
Looks like the storm's really gone.
Thank you for always keeping us safe, Mom.
Morning, sleepyhead. The storm's all gone.
Let's go see the sunshine, everyone.
Oh, it's beautiful, Mark.
Just as we hoped.
Whiskers wants to play.
Look at the sky. The house is okay bad. Just a few branches down. We're so lucky.
Oh, Mark, thank God.
Meow!
Family always finds its way back to safety.
Leo, were you scared last night? A little. But we had each other.
No matter what storms come, we'll always find our way through pale together.